hiking for health and adventure. Hiking is amazing. It's great exercise. You get fresh air and sunshine. Being in nature is good for the mind and body. Plus, it's a fun adventure. You can explore new places, see beautiful views, discover hidden waterfalls. Hiking lets you connect with nature. Hiking can be challenging, but it's rewarding. You feel strong and accomplished. It's a chance to test your limits and enjoy the beauty of the outdoors. So, get out there and explore. But remember, safety first. Preparation is key. Planning your hiking trip. Before you go, plan your hike. Choose a trail that suits your fitness level. Check the weather forecast. Pack for different conditions. Let someone know your plans. Tell them where you're going and when you'll be back. Study the trail map. Familiarize yourself with the route. Note any landmarks or points of interest. This will help you stay on track. Look for potential hazards. Check for steep climbs, river crossings, or known wildlife areas. Being prepared helps you stay safe. Gear up for safety. Essentials for every hike. Having the right gear is crucial. Wear sturdy hiking boots. They provide ankle support and good traction. Dress in layers. You can adjust to changing temperatures. Pack a waterproof jacket. Be ready for rain or wind. Always carry these essentials: plenty of water, nutritious snacks, a first aid kit, a map and compass, a whistle, and a flashlight. These items can be lifesavers in an emergency. Respecting nature. Hiking safely and responsibly. Stay on marked trails. This protects you and the environment. Be aware of your surroundings. Watch for wildlife. Keep a safe distance. Pack out everything you pack in. Leave no trace of your presence. Learn basic first aid. Know how to treat minor injuries. In case of an emergency, stay calm. If possible, signal for help. Use your whistle, mirror, or bright clothing. Remember, hiking is a privilege. Respect nature. Be prepared and enjoy the journey.